Hi. Welcome back. In today's class, we will be learning Exploratory Data Analysis with Python. Exploratory Data Analysis, EDA, is a crucial step in the data analysis process that helps you understand the structure, patterns, and underlying relationships in your dataset. It provides initial insights into the data before applying more complex machine learning models or drawing conclusions. EDA focuses on visualizing and summarizing the key characteristics of a dataset. By the end of this class, you will understand data distributions and their significance, calculate and interpret descriptive statistics, learn how to visualize data using Pandas and Matplotlib, identify key trends and patterns in the data, understanding data distributions. A data distribution shows how values in a dataset are spread across different ranges. Understanding the distribution is essential for drawing insights and deciding the appropriate statistical or machine learning techniques to apply. Types of data distributions: normal distribution, Gaussian distribution. A bell-shaped curve where most of the data points cluster around the mean. It is symmetric, meaning the left and right sides of the distribution are approximately mirror images. Uniform distribution. In this distribution, each value has an equal probability of occurring. It looks like a flat line. Skewed distribution. If the data points are not evenly distributed around the mean, the distribution is skewed. Right skewed, positively skewed, the right tail is longer than the left. Left skewed, negatively skewed, the left tail is longer than the right. Why understand distributions? Helps determine the appropriate statistical methods. Highlights potential outliers. Informs the selection of data transformations. Descriptive statistics. Descriptive statistics help summarize the main features of a dataset. This includes measures like central tendency, mean, median, mode, and measures of variability, variance, standard deviation. Central tendency. Mean. The average of all values. It is calculated as mean equals sigma data points n backslash text, mean equals backslash frac, backslash sum backslash text, data points, n. Median. The middle value when data is sorted in ascending order. It is useful when the dataset has outliers since it is less affected by extreme values. Mode. The value that appears most frequently in the dataset. A dataset can have more than one mode, bimodal or multimodal, or no mode at all. Measures of dispersion. Variance. The average squared deviation of each number from the mean. It gives an idea of the spread of the data. The formula is variance equals sigma, x minus nu, 2n backslash text, variance equals backslash frac, backslash sum, x backslash mu, caret 2, n. Standard deviation. The square root of the variance, representing how much individual data points differ from the mean. A higher standard deviation indicates a wider spread of values. Skewness and kurtosis. Skewness indicates the asymmetry of the distribution. Kurtosis indicates the tailedness of the distribution, whether data points are more or less concentrated around the mean. Data visualization with Pandas and Matplotlib. Data visualization is an essential component of EDA. Visualizations help us understand the distribution of the data, identify trends, and detect outliers. Pandas plotting. Pandas integrates well with Matplotlib, allowing quick visualizations like histograms, box plots, and scatter plots. Histogram. A histogram shows the distribution of a dataset by grouping data points into bins, intervals. It is useful for visualizing the shape of the data distribution. Import pandas as PD. df, column underscore name, dot plot, kind equals hist, bins equals 20, title equals histogram. Box plot. A box plot shows the median, quartiles, and potential outliers in the data. It's particularly useful for identifying skewness and outliers. df, column underscore name, dot plot, kind equals box, title equals boxplot. Scatter plot. A scatter plot helps to visualize the relationship between two continuous variables. It is used to detect correlations or patterns in data. df.plot, kind equals scatter, x equals column underscore x, y equals column underscore y, title equals scatter plot. Matplotlib plotting. Matplotlib is a popular Python library used for creating a wide variety of static, animated, and interactive plots. Import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. Hashtag example, simple line plot. plt.plot, df, column underscore x, df, column underscore y. plt.title, line plot. plt.slabel, x-axis label. plt.alabel, y-axis label. plt.show. Identifying trends and patterns in data. Once you've visualized your data and computed basic statistics, you should look for any trends or patterns. This can help uncover relationships between variables, detect seasonality, and understand how the data changes over time. Types of trends. Linear trends. When the data points move in a straight line, it indicates a linear relationship between variables. Seasonal trends. Some data might follow regular patterns or cycles at certain times of the year, e.g., retail sales spikes during the holiday season. Cyclic patterns. Data might show fluctuations in intervals that are not consistent with seasonal trends, e.g., economic cycles. Correlation. Understanding correlations between variables can reveal hidden relationships. Correlation can be computed using the .corr method in Pandas. A correlation coefficient close to 1 or -1 indicates a strong relationship, while values close to 0 suggest little to no relationship. df.crr. Conclusion. In this class, we explored exploratory data analysis, EDA, and learned to understand data distributions and their significance. Compute descriptive statistics like mean, median, variance, and standard deviation. Use Pandas and Matplotlib for effective data visualization. Identify trends and patterns in data. EDA is an essential skill in the data analysis process as it provides deep insights into your data. By utilizing these techniques, you can prepare the data for more advanced statistical analysis and machine learning applications. Thank you for listening. See you in the next class.